Check it out. You can always find random trash on the trail. This has been here long enough to leave a mark. What can we do with it? Doesn't strike. Here's where I found it, by the way. Nice little waterfall up there. Pretty awesome. Check it out. Woo. Beautiful. Some of the first huckleberries of the year. Just starting to get ripe. Oh yeah. A little critter tail. Like a grasshopper too. We'll catch something. All right, so let's take this off. These little adjustable lighters have a spring under here. It's a little bit thicker than the one under the flint, so it works a little better for a makeshift hook. So I'm going to pull it out by unscrewing this thing. If you're familiar with making the flame bigger on these, you know what I'm doing. Hold on. It might be stripped due to its age, so here's what we're gonna do. Don't get this stuff on yourself. Oof. It can freeze you. That air's coming out. All that lighter fluid. Once it's out, we can take this apart. You can see in here, this is the piece we're after. We're gonna unscrew it. And then watch out, there's a little spring. Right there on this piece. Now that spring's a little heavier duty. What we can do is insert this little piece of metal. You get this little metal tube with it. Insert it. Push it sideways through here. See, now we got it like that. Sorry about these weeds here. Now, if we pull this out, it'll, like you would a gift, a gift wrap and stuff, I don't know. Just pull it like that, boom. We got this little wire inside, almost in fish hook shape. We're gonna bend it into shape and then cut it with a nice sharp angle. This is just gonna be a little hook, mostly for stream fishing. Obviously, you're not gonna be catching any monsters with this thing, but you can fling a fish out of the stream with it. There you go. Little fish hook. Pretty sharp. And digs into my nail. That means it's a good sharp hook. There you go. A little fish hook out of a lighter. Let's see if we can snag something. All right, I got this paracord with a fishing line in it. Got my little hook. Let's see what we can make. Here's what really works good as bait. These small creeks. These little ant eggs. Woo. Set them up here. Take a bunch. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Some ant eggs. All right, got my cricket on. Cricket, grasshopper. Fishing line tied on. Okay, I got my line tied onto my stick. All right, there you go. The old lighter hook.
Ah. What are you using?
I just got a spring out of a lighter. Check it out. Works. There you go. Monster cutthroat. Zing.